Alright, for the noise, like the compressor there, it's 05 Colorado. Yeah, Colorado. Awesome tape job there. Actually, looks like movers, but it's ABS fault. I don't see it on the dash right now, but code keeps coming up. C0035. They already put a sensor in it. They said that when they scan data, the mile an hour is identical. So I was called in to take another look at it, and as soon as this damn compressor stops running, maybe you could hear what I'm saying. Alright, it doesn't look like I'm going to get any relief from that compressor, but this side, both sides have already been replaced. Got some tie stuff going on. The battery was dead, that's why it's already in the shop. The battery was dead, so they're it's like new brakes too. Both sides have been replaced. It's just kind of like laying there. So there's no codes and anything. I'm going to have to take this for a test drive to get it to act up real quick, but at least the battery's not dead. It's usually, batteries are usually always dead when I get here. Oh, there you go, now it shuts off. We got too much fluid. Alright, I'll take this for a road test. Now, I do have a history code of C0035. Right now I have it up in the air, and well, it's in four-wheel drive. At least three of the wheels are spinning. I don't have any codes yet. I revved it up. Let's see what it looks like. Where's right for? Alright, well, I don't see anything going on there. I was hoping I'd be able to see it without breaking the scope out. But let's see. Put my foot there to stop that. Alright, I think that's enough information for me to break out the scope and take a look. The hub was replaced on this. It was supposedly the hub was damaged, so they replaced it. So I'm going to put it up in the air and see what's going on under there. Who knows, maybe the new hub is damaged too. This is a digital ABS signal, so it's going to have 12 volts going to the sensor, and on the return side it's going to be a square wave pattern, and I want to get that set up. I just want to take a little visual. Got some major leaks. I don't care. All this stuff is just loose. This side is not the problem side. It's the left front we're looking at, but I just want to look at everything. You see it's nice and rotted. Okay, there's my sensor up there, and oh, wow, ooh, that's not good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring that to their attention. Anyway, I don't see anything out of ordinary with the sensor. I mean, I can't see anything really. Oh, what's that? Welded. Oh, okay. Yeah, brake line. Where's this guy? Right here. Okay. That's easy to get to. Alright, well, I'm going to get my scope hooked up. I got to tell him about this. That's really bad. Alright, well, I still got to contend with this loud compressor. You see, I got it's like a bias voltage here. Oh, I'm sorry. Watch that. It's so freaking loud, I can't think. You see, I got 0. Got 0 volts. Right. Left, right, 0. Okay, when I turn the key on, I should get bias. Key is on. All right, start it. It's just noise. Has a little bit of noise there. I'm hooked up to the battery. And I'm going to put it in gear. It's in four-wheel drive, that way the front wheels will spin. Oh man, this compressor never stops. And I think I found the problem. This side hub, the hub and the sensor have been replaced as an assembly. This side, the sensor was replaced, but I believe it's still the old hub. So, as you can see, we have a pattern here. Okay, I'm going to fill up a little bit. Now I'm going to shut that off. Take a look at this, see what I found. Alright, now we're just going to zoom in here and look at the patterns. Okay, now scan data says these were going exactly the same time. I didn't film that part, but last time I took this capture, the same thing. Now look at the width. The red is the right side, the blue is the left side. Okay, the left side is the one in question. So what I think is happening is this pattern is different. It's a different pattern. Likely because it's an aftermarket sensor, and the tone ring is probably aftermarket as well. So that's what I'm leaning towards right now. And I'm going to put it back up in the air and see if the hub on the right side has been replaced or not. This is that's basically what I believe to be the problem, because I have a signal and I have a good voltage here. It's about 2 volts, right? Yeah, it's about a 2 volt there, and same thing for red channel. Red channel's about 2 volts as well. Aftermarket crap, man, does it every single time. So I'm going to condemn that. But I'm going to still put it up in the air and take a look at the passenger side again. Alright, left side, you can see it's nice and bearing, hub assembly. this side, it's the other one. So the axle's replaced, and the axles were replaced. That's where it stands. Now, I know that the rear ABS is triggered off of the transmission. I don't know if it uses this sensor. I think I'm going to scope this as well, because I want to see what that pattern looks like. If it matches the red trace, then the fix is going to have to be OEM hub. If it doesn't match the red trace, then possibly could get away with using the exact same bearing assembly as was put on this one. I don't know that for a fact. OEM would probably be the best option, but this thing it's got one foot in the graveyard, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that set up real quick. I decided not to go off of the transmission here, this sensor, due to the fact that hopefully I still got it up. I saved that file. Let me pull it up real quick. Vehicle speed sensor, which is right here. Right. This is vehicle speed sensor, gets its information from the powertrain control module. Okay, and then that goes to the EBCM. So it's not like using it directly from the sensor. So this is basically probably processed data. Whatever information it received from the sensor, it's gonna send it down to the EBCM. I don't know what it is, square wave or whatever, but I'm not going to use that. And I'm just going to chalk it up to using an OEM hub bearing. It's been here 6 weeks for this problem. The problem is the duty cycle. It's about 75%. 25-75, and where this is supposed to be 50%. Let's see. See right here. It's just about a 50% duty cycle, right? So that's the diagnosis. That's the diagnosis. Going to need parts that are not aftermarket. Aftermarket's really bad anymore. It's just ridiculous. And that's it for this one.